a poem about one of my very favorite letters of the alphabet by Big Bird. Today I wrote a poem and I put it in my book. It's about a certain letter that's shaped sort of like a hook. It's a very special letter and I like it quite a lot. The big one has a line on top, the small one has a dot. It comes at the beginning of a word like jelly beans, or John or Jane or Jenny, or a brand new pair of jeans. You'll find it in the alphabet between the I and K. And if you haven't guessed by now, well, it's the letter J.